Hello everyone and welcome back to Prodhar channel. Today we are discussing the best laptops with 2 GB graphic card under 30,000 rupees. The usage of laptops has been increasing day by day. More people are now referring to using laptops for their daily requirements rather than computers. Because of their portability and ability to function without a power supply, people prefer using laptops. If you are one of those people looking forward to purchasing a laptop, you have to come to the right place. There are a variety of laptops available in the market with a variety of features. All laptops are not, even though they look similar in appearance, the interior features may vary. For example, some laptops might have a high RAM and a huge hard disk space, which can be used for data storage and faster processing. Similarly, particular laptops have unique features like touchscreen technology, which is not available on some other laptops. So, depending upon the requirement of the person and the laptops can be purchased. If you are an engineer and require a laptop that can be used for programming and hacking purposes, you need to buy a high RAM like 16 to 32 GB. Having good RAM will allow you to operate at least 2 or 3 programs simultaneously. Combining it with a good hard disk drive will make it easier for you. Similarly, if you are looking for a laptop with an excellent graphic support system, then graphic cards are essential. You can use them for specific graphic related purposes like animation, graphic designing, game designing, and high level Photoshop. Then purchasing a laptop with an excellent graphic card is essential. Graphic cards are generally responsible for providing a proper display on our laptop. They convert the content from the CPU and display it on the screen in appropriate terms. Having a laptop with an excellent graphic card will allow you to use them as a game developer laptop and for animation and other simple video editing purposes. Having a laptop for animation and gaming console purposes is necessary for most of the students who are learning animation. But if you are looking for a laptop within the budget so that it would be easier for you to use them while learning, then there are only specific limited models available. Read the passage below to understand the types of laptops and features available in the market from which you can choose. Most of the gaming laptops are of high range price from 1 lakh to 3 lakhs. But if you are looking for a laptop that can be purchased within a price of 30,000, it will serve your learning purposes. Let us now learn about them in detail. Graphics card. The graphic card is responsible for converting the CPU's output into a suitable display that can be applied on the screen. When you purchase a laptop with an Intel Core processor, you will have a graphic card embedded within itself with a particular memory. But if you are looking forward to purchasing a laptop for gaming and graphic purposes, then you might need an extra graphic card to support the additional content requirement. There are a variety of graphic cards that have been under usage for the past decade. Using a GPU graphic card like GeForce GTX 700 series will have the ability to support high-level 4K resolution on the screen. There are also other normal graphic cards like NVIDIA and Radeon. Every graphic card is designed with a specific purpose. If you are searching for a graphic card for gaming purposes, then the GeForce GTX and the beautiful GeForce RTX model will be more suitable. Graphic cards like the NVIDIA Grid and Radeon Sky can be used for creating cloud gaming purposes. Similarly, other AMD-based graphic cards can be used for workstation purposes and other automated driverless cards. So while choosing a laptop, analyze your requirement first and then select a model. The memory of the graphic card should get at least a bit 2 GB so that it will have the ability to hold multiple functions simultaneously. RAM storage and hard disk drive. The next important thing that you need to look after purchasing a laptop is the RAM storage. Having good RAM storage will allow you to enjoy the graphic card features because they will work side by side with proper correlation. While the graphic card is responsible for taking care of the display, the RAM is responsible for carrying out multiple programs at the same time. When software is running, the RAM will also be running in the background, storing the software's brief details. For a typical laptop, having 2 GB RAM will be more than enough. But if you are using the laptop for creating and playing games, then you might need a lot of RAM. Most of the software involved in animation and graphic creation is powerful, and they require a strong backup. So, having a RAM of 8GB to 32GB will be sufficient. Similarly, the hard disk drive also plays an important role. You can either use an HDD or SSD depending upon the software you are installing. SSD drive has its ability to support multiple programs at the same time. If you are using a laptop with SSD memory, then purchase the one with 250GB. If you are purchasing a laptop with HDD memory, then buying one with a memory of 500GB to 1TB. Having an excellent hard disk is essential for supporting the software you are installing in them. Processor. The processor is responsible for carrying out the program's function and processing the inputs and producing outputs. Most of the people prefer using the Intel Core processor as they are more powerful. If you are looking for a laptop for professional purposes, purchasing the latest model Core i9 processor will be more suitable. But since you are buying the laptop for a budget and simple student gaming purposes, having an i3 processor will be more than enough. You can also purchase a laptop with i5 or i7 to provide mediocre level support, but the price will be higher. Also, while buying a processor, make sure it has a good set of embedded graphic cards within itself. Display resolution. One of the most important things that need to be noted while purchasing a laptop for gaming purposes is the resolution. Buying a 4K resolution laptop will be practically impossible for this special price. So you can buy a standard HD resolution laptop with 720 or 1080 pixel. Either way, the screen should be perfect and provide a good clarity of the image for a better practice. The size of the screen should also be large enough so that you can view the photos correctly. Purchasing a laptop with a screen size of 14 inches or more will be more suitable. Even though these things are more important, and that you should also make sure that the laptop's color is right looking with the proper material, the plastic from which the laptop is made should be of high quality and they should not break away after a few years of usage. Purchasing a touchscreen laptop will be more suitable, especially if you draw the images for animation and other graphic designing purposes. But buying a laptop with an excellent graphic card and touchscreen will cost you a bit more. So beware of the cost and the few hours before purchasing them. Given below are some of the models available in the market. You can choose the best laptop among them. So here are a few recommendations. Number 1. Lenovo IdeaPad 130 Core i3 6th generation. Description: Core i3 processor suitable for basic functions. 15.6 inches screen, 2GB graphic card data, 4GB RAM and 1TB memory. 2.1 kg in weight. Number 2. Asus laptop Core i3 5th generation. Description: Core i3 processor with 5th generation suitable for basic functions. 15.6 inches screen, 2GB graphic card data, 8GB RAM and 1TB memory. Pre-installed Windows 10. Number 3. HP laptop Core i3 7th generation. Description: Core i3 processor with 7th generation suitable for basic functions. 15.6 inches screen with HD quality. 2GB graphic card data. 4GB RAM and 1TB memory. Pre-installed Windows 10. Dell Vostro Core i3 4th generation. Description: Core i3 processor with 4th generation suitable for basic functions. 14.1 inches screen, 2GB graphic card data, 4GB RAM and 500GB memory. Pre-installed Linux. Number 5. Acer Aspire E5573 laptop. Description: Core i3 processor with 5th the generation suitable for basic functions. High quality HD screen, 2GB graphic card data, 4GB RAM and 1TB memory. Pre-installed Linux. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share the video if you liked it and subscribe to our channel Prod Hut.